I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
What is up, and welcome back to our channel. And yes, somehow we're matching. It always accidentally happens. Don't really know how. It must be a twin thing. But if you are new, welcome.
I'm Sierra.
I'm Sereniti.
And together we are 2 times the sparkle.
And today we're just gonna do a fun little taste test. I mean, that's kind of our favorite thing to do right now in quarantine because
what else is there to do?
Snacks. Like, what else is there to do besides eat snacks?
And you go to Target, you see all this stuff. I'm like, I could eat that.
So we're just gonna try it all.
Yes, we
do
are.
Our snacks. So
I guess we're just gonna hop right into it.
First things first, Mermaid in a Cup. It's a Duncan Hines cake, and it came with these cookies and sprinkles that I'm gonna sprinkle on top. It was only in the microwave for like a minute. That's how long it said to do it.
It's like the little microwavable cupcake where you put the water, you mix it, and then almost lost our product. Like sprinkles and stuff. Like
the cake's
so
very
on
spongy.
Top. Was it sponge cake?
No, it's
That's
just
mermaid cake. I'm gonna get some toppings. Oh my gosh, it's sparkly. It's really not bad.
It tastes like vanilla. Oh, well, it does say vanilla cake mix. It definitely tastes kind of food dye-y.
Yeah.
But it's not bad.
I think the sprinkles and stuff make it.
I don't like the pearl thingies. They taste like sweet tarts.
I like it. It's definitely very like spongy and like, I don't think it tastes like as good as a cake that would like come out of the oven.
No.
But it's definitely not bad. Like it's a good like substitute. That makes sense.
I probably would not eat it again.
Yeah. It's okay. All right.
Next thing, we're on a sweets kick. M&Ms, yes, they are brownie batter. Yes, we already opened them because we could not resist.
Well, my family could not resist.
Yeah, and they were eating them, so I had to try them. So yes, the bag's almost done, and there's like 5 left. They are fire.
They taste exactly.
It's like the consistency. Yeah, they do. It's the same consistency as the caramel M&Ms, but
yeah.
fudge.
I'd recommend these. Like this is probably my favorite. I mean, I haven't tried everything, but like this is, I'd buy another bag and eat the whole bag.
You want to try the airheads?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I don't think I've ever tried these, to be honest.
I don't know if they're new or not.
You try a green one.
They're airhead bites.
I don't know if I like how thick it is, you know? Because I feel like airheads are usually like super flat. Does that make sense?
No for me.
I don't know if the consistency fix it.
I don't like the texture. I had white mystery.
I had watermelon, which the flavor is delicious.
I'm gonna try another flavor.
I like the watermelon.
What about that one? I'm gonna have such a stomachache.
Honestly, I'll probably eat these though.
No, that cherry tastes like medicine. It tastes like children's Tylenol.
At Target, they have like Target brand hint water, so
it's the brand Good and Gathered.
So they're both the same exact flavor, but I wanted to know the difference. That makes sense?
Which one?
So this one's hint. Here's hint.
Okay.
And then here's Target. So I'm gonna take a sip of the Target one. I'm gonna take a sip of the hint one and then the Target. They're really similar.
I like the Target one better.
I feel like the Target one has just a more underlining apple taste, and this one's stronger.
I like the Target one better.
Yeah, I do too.
Yeah, I like the Target brand one better.
I would have to agree. So, I actually like the Target one better, surprising enough. So you can't ever judge a book by its cover. But they also have like the pineapple coconut one, which I was drinking earlier today. That was the first time I tried the apple one, but the pineapple coconut one's pretty good too. So they have a bunch of different flavors as well, which was interesting to me. Okay, and then the next thing I picked up from Target, because all I do is go to Target, is this like juice stuff, and it's peach and cherry flavored. So
it's pear. I don't know.
It's peach and cherry.
I'm talking about the brand.
Oh, Perrier juice. I don't know.
I don't know how to pronounce it, but
it's
we got
like
it
a
from
sparkling.
Target. It's like a sparkling juice.
So
kind of like an Izzy, is what I assume.
That's good. Like it tastes like the fruit. Like it tastes exactly like a peach.
I don't like the aftertaste though. It tastes like Diet Fanta.
I don't
like.
Think so.
Have you ever had peach Fanta? It tastes like Diet Peach Fanta. That's such an odd specific taste, but that's what it tastes like.
I don't think it has an aftertaste though. I like it. So, next thing in which we're gonna try. Have I really tried this one? I've tried a few of these. The La Colombia
Coffee. Oh,
It's a foamy
it
nitrous.
is my favorite. I've had the mocha one. I don't think Sierra has, so I was like, let's throw this in.
I think I've had the vanilla one.
It's so good. One of them is equivalent to 2.5 cups of coffee.
This is the nitro. This is nitro.
Is it nitro?
Nitro infused.
Oh, I haven't had the nitro infused one.
It's strong.
So good though.
It is good, but it's definitely strong. Like, if you don't like your coffee bitter, I would say no.
No, it's good. It's really good.
I would say if you don't like bitter coffee.
Well,
no.
yeah, if you don't like bitter coffee, if you like your coffee like really, really sugary, don't get that.
So like the next thing that we're gonna try are these chilled treats, key lime mousse mix. So
By Betty Crocker.
I've never tried these ever before. I've never even seen
We
these.
went ahead and pre-made it, and then it came with we pre-made it with the package. It comes with 4 separate packages.
So it comes in a little package like this.
Yeah, and then we put the chilled whatever,
And then it comes
the
with like
drizzle on top.
it comes with like whatever's supposed to go on top. So you make this and then you top it with this.
I'm kind of scared to try it.
I agree. This is probably the thing I'm most scared to try. I don't know why. I love key lime pie, so I hope this doesn't disappoint me.
No, it's good if you like key lime pie. It's very limey. It's sour.
Whoa. That's actually good.
It's better than the cake.
It is better than the cake. Wait. That's actually good.
It tastes like key lime
All
pie.
it needs is the key lime pie crust.
Oh, like graham cracker?
Yeah. If you like key lime pie, dude, I actually recommend. I love key lime pie. Okay, that's actually good. That's good. That's on par with the M&Ms.
Oh, facts.
Okay. Oh, I'm so scared to try this.
Oh, I'm so excited. I love jalapeno chips, and I saw Pringles had them, and I said, bet. So, here they are in my household, if I can get them open.
I only like the original Pringles
And salt and vinegar, and she licks the salt off. It's so weird.
Whatever. Do they smell spicy?
No.
Yes.
I feel like I need to drink some water to clear my palate. Such a weird variety of things we're trying.
Okay,
Cheers.
jalapeno. That's actually really spicy.
It's really spicy.
Oh, heck no. I eat the jalapeno. Oh my gosh.
That was spicier than expected. Actually,
It
not
looks
bad.
like it has like nothing on it, so you wouldn't think that you can't see. So you wouldn't think it'd be spicy. Oh no, heck no.
It's actually not that bad though. It is spicy though, because I'll eat those jalapeno kettle chips that like Firehouse and like Subway and stuff has. I'll eat those. They're so good. And they're like never really that spicy to me, but these are spicier than those.
Okay, so this is gonna be the last thing we're trying today.
It's a birthday cake Kit Kat, in case you didn't
Oh yeah.
properly say so.
Sorry, I was really excited. I actually really like Kit Kats. Do you just want to split one
Yeah.
stick? Cool.
Oh, white chocolate. I'm not a white chocolate fan.
Oh, but it has like the little sprinkles in it. It tastes like birthday cake.
If you bite into a whole Kit Kat, you are not human. Like, that's just weird. I eat the whole outside. I'm just kidding, you're still human. But I eat the whole outside. Chocolate literally just tastes like icing. Like, it tastes like frosting.
But it has like the sprinkles in it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it adds a good crunch.
It's sweet though, but it's good.
Stupid sweet, but it's actually good. So the next thing I wanted to mention is the Nature Valley Krispy Kreme wafer bars. They have peanut butter, chocolate, and then they have a peanut butter one. And if you've ever had those, like, are the Nutter Butters? Is that what they're called?
Mm-hmm.
And it's like the chocolate and the peanut butter and the wafers. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's by the Debbie Cakes brand.
Those are so good. These are like a healthy version of it, and they're so good. I'm not gonna like open it and eat one out because they're really filling, and I'll like pick them up and like eat them for breakfast. But I just wanted to like throw that in there and tell you like
But they're really good
10 out of
snack.
10 recommend. I snack on these all the time.
You like
I snack on these all the time. My new twin. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for this taste test. I hope you enjoyed. That is pretty much it for this video. We tasted quite a few,
a lot of snacks,
a wide variety. So I think we're gonna go ahead and say what both of our favorite thing was. So what was your favorite?
For sure the fudge brownie M&Ms.
I would probably say like key lime pie, Betty Crocker stuff, this stuff, the chill treats, because they took me for a surprise.
And
I was not expecting them.
M&Ms.
Yes,
So if you're looking for a sweet pick-me-up, check those out.
So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below.
And we will see you next week.